That's a ball to Dominic Szoboszlai. Support arriving. McAllister! Salah! Oh, what a block that is! Here's Salah for Liverpool. He might get it back here, Salah, and he does! And he could have had two inside 6 minutes. Here's Dembele. Barcola's run. And Dembele goes again. It's a great block, but it might still go in. It does. And there goes Liverpool's lead. It's cancelled out. Now Konate. And he's going to have a goal. And the goalkeeper has to make the save. It's Kvaratskhelia and Barcola is in on goal. And Alisson once again shows just why he is the very best in the business. Luis Diaz, Alexander-Arnold. Donnarumma saves, Szoboszlai, Alexander-Arnold, Liverpool also close, they'll go again, and in by Dominic Szoboszlai, it's not going to count. This is a difficult angle to make something happen. Robertson delivers now, round the corner it goes, and it won't go in again. As the ball is delivered by Kvaratskhelia again, it's a lovely turn by Doué. How's that not gone in? On by Vitinha, Dembele, what a save by Alisson. What a save that is. Oh, Curtis Jones, Scouser through and through. And it's another brilliant stop from Gianluigi Donnarumma. Alisson needed, and he can't do anything about it. And Paris Saint-Germain have overturned that first leg deficit. It finishes here, Liverpool 0, Paris Saint-Germain 1. Paris Saint-Germain win 4-1 on penalties.